Morning, guys. So, I'm expecting further weight loss. I'm gonna tell you why later, okay? But we'll see. Okay, so let's see if I actually lost weight. Okay, so I actually did. I know why, but it's too early in the morning and I'm gonna have my breakfast. So, but yeah, yesterday I was basically on a bathroom spree. So I mean everything is fine, like normal bathroom spree. I went to the bathroom like 3 times, I think. So that's why I believe I lost the weight, because I don't think the day before, I'm not sure even if I went to the bathroom. So I think that's the reason. So anyways, today is pull day, and I'm gonna be on 2,500 calories, and yeah, like I'm not changing anything other than that. All right, so I'll see you guys at the gym. Alright, so I'm at the gym. It's pull day. I really like pull days, to be honest. We are gonna start with chest supported rows, and we'll see. Like, I'm really curious how my strength is, considering the fact that literally in 2 days I've lost like 4 pounds. So we'll see. I'll let you know after I finish my exercise here. All right. Okay, so my strength is fine. Maybe like a tad bit worse compared to like last week, but like a couple of percentages maybe. I still did the same amount of reps, so it was no big issue in terms of that. But I was feeling just a little bit weaker. It might be due to like a lot of stuff as well. The gym is also cold. I'm wearing like tank tops, so a bunch of things. But overall, I did my same weight, same amount of reps. So it's a win. Now we're gonna do the pull down thing. Okay, now my favorite exercise. Alright, done with those. I filmed it from a different angle to be able to see my back. Hopefully it looked fine. So now with the real delt flies. So I don't feel like doing standing alternating dumbbell curls, so instead I'm gonna be doing dumbbell curls on incline bench. All right. Final exercise of the day, dumbbell shrugs.
Hush! Hush! Hush!
Okay, so another full day is over. I'm feeling pretty good, to be honest. I mean, like relatively pretty good, obviously. I mean, I've just had a crazy workout, but yeah. So I'll see you guys at recap, all right? Hey guys, so it's another recap time. The workout today was quite okay. My calories gonna be 2,500. It's a pull day. I did my extra cardio as usual, 20 to 30 minutes of walking, nothing crazy, just like normal speed, okay? Like a speed that I'm comfortable with. Although like my regular walking speed is actually like, I think a little bit faster than what most people's are, but yeah, so this is something that you should also maybe keep in mind. Faster isn't like on a treadmill is about like 6 kilometers an hour, which is like give or take like 3.8 miles an hour, like somewhere around that. So with that walking speed, that's my normal walking speed. Like I can hold conversations easily, like everything is simple. It's just like when I want to take a walk, this is the speed that I walk with, right? Another half a kilo is gone, like more than a pound again. So like in these 2 days, basically I've lost like 3.4 pound-ish. So, but I'm feeling completely fine. So, like there are certain signals that I actually pay attention to. Like one of those was my strength levels. And when I was at the gym today, I was kind of like testing that too, because like even after like a sudden drop, if things are not going well, especially at a certain leanness like I am currently, you would be able to feel it like right away. Okay, so everything is going fine. There's nothing to worry about. But of course, with the speed that I'm going, as I said yesterday, most likely I'll be able to get to where I want to be, like maybe by the end of like 5th week or so. So if I get there like early, then on 6th week, we'll see what we do, right? So maybe we can go like a little bit more shredded than I'm planning to, but yeah. And also the reason why I'm not getting shredded is that, I mean, I talked to you a few times about this, like I want to keep like certain things at certain levels, like my strength, my endurance, my overall mood and all that stuff, okay? So I'm not planning to go shredded, I'm not planning to compete in a bodybuilding competition, so there is no point for me to get my body fat levels down to a level which I'm uncomfortable with. So this is basically the whole idea of why I'm just, you know, lowering my body fat percentage. You can just look at it that way, all right? And also giving you guys some information about like how to go and giving you guys this basically blueprint of how to lose weight properly, all right? So that's gonna be it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow on push day.